Hi guys, I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to do a hiking route. This time it's going to be following the Dobra River up to the pond of San Vincent. This is a route that is located in a region of Asturias, which is the north of Spain, close to Cangas de Onís, and it's very short. It's around 5 kilometers both ways. It takes around 1 hour and a half to complete. It's relatively flat. It is very easy to do for children, except in a couple of places where you have to be a little bit careful, but really nothing to worry about. We have a little one, 6 years old, and he did it with no problem whatsoever. As you follow the river, you have the chance to not only enjoy the sound, but have fantastic views. It really worth it. And the route is very flat, so it's not demanding at all. And if you have pushchairs, it's better if you don't do this route, because you will not be able to. Now at the end of the route you have like a pond where you can refresh yourself in the water, and obviously as you follow the river you can have a lot of swimming spots. So on a weather like this, we are having summer weather here, temperatures are quite high. It really works very well being able to dip your toes in the water or have a good swim. So please join us, and we will show you the route, and we hope you enjoy it. I'm about to start a ruta sobre el río Dora up to the Olla de San Vicente, which translated from Spanish is the route through the river Dora to the pot of San Vicente. It's like a pond, like a little pond. It's a very short route, it's very flat, and I heard there are spectacular views, and I'm going to share them with you. Okay, this is the point at which the route starts. Something tells me that this is not going to be a very quiet one. Look at all the cars parked just behind me. Look at that. This is the first highlight of the route. This is the Puente Dobra, is the Dobra bridge. Hi guys, hello again. We continue walking uphill now, and one of the things that surprised me a lot about this route is that you can hear the sound of the water constantly. is this background sound so relaxing, and because we are following the river, I see a lot of people dipping their toes in the water, having a swim, and following, just chilling out really. We are in the middle of the route, halfway through, and we decided to stop here and dip our toes in the water. As you can see in the background, the water is very, very clear. It has a really nice temperature considering the weather right now. And we are going to stop here for a few minutes, enjoy the quietness and the sound of the water, and then we will continue the journey. As you can see, we arrived at Olla de San Vicente, and as you can see behind me, it's not precisely empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my feet in the water, have a chill out session, enjoy myself a little bit, and then back home. At all, and it's good fun. And as you can see behind me, the views you get doing this route are unbelievable. Hiking route, which I think is quite nice, is the route of the river Dobra to the port of St. Vincent in Asturias. It's a very easy route to make. and it's very child friendly, with the exception of a few bits where you have to climb through rocks, but not unsurmountable. I mean, we were traveling with our 6-year-old son and he had no problem whatsoever in doing the route. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you are interested in watching more videos, please do not hesitate in subscribing to the channel. If you do so, you will not only make my day, but also you will grant that there will be more videos coming. Have a great day and hope to see you soon in the next adventure. Take care.